how to start or stop driving mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on modes and routines. From here, scroll down and find driving mode. Tap on it. Now to start driving mode, you can tap on the turn on button. This will allow you to manually switch on driving mode, or you can tap on the turn off button to stop driving mode. Now the other options are to have your phone automatically turn on driving mode when you are driving a car or when you connect to Android Auto in the car. Now at the moment I have already added, so if it's not added, what you can do is you can tap on the add button here and that will be added to the settings. So when the phone detects you are on the move in the car, then it will automatically turn on driving mode. And if you want to, you can also add on Android Auto. So when your device connects to Android Auto, it will start driving mode. It will start driving mode. And then after that, tap on the done button. And that's it. There are other customization that you can also do while driving mode is turned on. So you can go to other actions in here. You can tap on stay focus, and this will allow you to add do not disturb. This will allow you to turn on do not disturb, as well as restrict app usage. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.